Step-by-step land verification process every investor must know before buying land in Cameroon. Before you ask how to pay for the property, make sure you verify the property. Hello and welcome back to this channel. My name is Ategha and I'm a certified real estate consultant. I'm a realtor's coach and also a top-selling realtor. Our goal in this channel is to educate and inform you so that you can, number one, make high return on investment in land banking, number two, become financially free, and number three, build generational wealth. In this video, we're going to be looking at the step-by-step land verification process that every investor, including you, must know before buying land here in Cameroon. Number one, before you verify a property, you must first of all know that property. All right, so the first step is that identify that exact property, that exact location, that exact land banking property that you want. Then the second step is that before you verify anything around the property, verify the seller of the property. Who is that person selling to you? Who is that real estate company selling to you? Who is the CEO and the founder of the company? Does the person have public presence? Does the person have integrity? Does the person have followings online? Is the person outspoken? Do they do what they say they will do? Are they honest? How long have they been in existence? How many clients have they served so far? Do they have a website? What is on their website? How do they appear online? Do they have a YouTube channel? Do they post videos in the YouTube channel? So just find out and make sure that the person you are buying from is legit. So the first thing that you verify is the seller of the property and not even the property itself. Then when you verify the seller of the property, the next thing you do is that which is the third point, is that you verify the property itself. It's called site inspection. So you go to the property to see it for yourself, because most times there are properties that are on paper but they don't exist on site. So make sure you see the property, look at the topography, check whether there are signages on the property that says private property or B1. If they are, you have to avoid kind of properties like that. If the place is swampy, go ahead and buy if it's a land banking property. But if it's too steep and there are cable lines passing there, it could be a government land, avoid that kind of a property. After you verify the land itself, you verify the documents of the land. Now, Dr. Charles Apoki once said that proper documentation in real estate prevents argumentation. It means that if you verify the documents correctly, or if the documents are correct, there will be no argument as to the purchase or whether you should purchase that land or not. And I've always said that the most important thing about a property that is not even on the property itself is the documents. The documents documents the land. Okay, so make sure you check the documents. If it has a land certificate, check its authenticity, check that it has no duplicate. How do you do this? You go to the land registrar and ask for the true certified copy of the land certificate using the land certificate number that is on the land certificate. If he has a chief attestation, make sure the name of the chief corresponds to the chief that is currently enthroned or on seat. If he has a deed of assignment, make sure that every information is complete. If he has a transfer of ownership, check that everything. If he has a site plan, let everything be correct. Okay, now when you verify the documents, what you now do is that you check or verify conflict. How do you verify conflict? Most times with real estate companies, problem of conflict is not that much. Now, even if it is, the real estate company will either reallocate you to another property or reimburse your money or refund your money. If the document they gave you was non-refundable, then they will have to reallocate you to another property. Which other way can you check for conflict, especially if you are buying from a private individual? You go to the property and ask the neighbors, hello mama, hello daddy, please, who owns this property? If neighbor A says Mr. Frederick, neighbor B says Mr. Frederick, neighbor C says Sister Stella, and neighbor D says I don't know, please kindly just pause and check. It means that that property has conflict or has a problem. If neighbor A says it's this family, neighbor B says it's this family, but they are not selling it, you see, there could be a problem. Okay, now when you check for conflict, check for disputes, check for restrictions, you can now go ahead to make payment and buy that property. This is a step-by-step process of land verification here in the city of Buea, Southwest region of Cameroon. Now, if you have any other questions, you want to call us or send us a message to ask some questions, our numbers on the screen. You can call us or send us a message on WhatsApp for a free consultation or for further inquiries. You can also leave a comment. We wake up every day looking forward to reading your comments, responding to your comments. All right, like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that the next time we release educational, informational, and relevant videos like this, you'll be the first to know. I remain your favorite real estate consultant, Ategha here in the city of Buea, Southwest region of Cameroon. In the meantime, enjoy yourself and see you on the next video.